Hello, welcome to Crypto School. Today we are going to talk about teaching robotics with Microbit, Arduino or Raspberry Pi. Microbit. It is best for beginners / primary level, drag and drop and Python support, built-in sensors, LED grid, Bluetooth, easy to use with accessories like motors, buzzers and lights. Arduino. Ideal for middle to secondary levels, teaches real-world electronics and C/C++ coding, wide variety of sensors / modules, great for understanding hardware, software integration. Raspberry Pi, small computer for advanced learners, used for AI, computer vision or web control robots, runs Linux, supports Python and GPIO control, good for IoT and multi-component projects. Thank you for your time. See you next time.